go, Steeler. Here we go. This is our X1. I'm wearing earplugs, so she's a little bit loud. It's got a lot of bass in the reverberation through the exhaust. So what we decided to do is go ahead and replace that. We're going to get rid of it, but we want you to hear the sound first. Some people might like that sound. You might want to buy that. You never know. A little traffic today, so we're taking our time. This car has 13 miles on a brand new engine. Brand new, strong Forged Pistons, a PBS street cam. It's called an SX cam. The community, we call it the sexy cam. Obvious reasons. Nice Saturday morning. We're going to take a little stroll up through Orange County here. Take it over to the muffler shop and replace the muffler, which is right here, the seat.